Alright, so we want to find the equation of the normal line at a given point. And they give us an equation, which is the y equals part. They give us the point, which is 0 and 5/3. So we want to find the normal line there. And in order to find the normal line, the first thing we're going to need to do is find the tangent. And if we can find the tangent, then we can find the normal. And the normal is perpendicular to tangent. And if something is perpendicular to something else, it's the opposite reciprocal. What we'll need to do is use our limit rule. We'll use our limit rule to find what the slope of the tangent line is. Once we have found the slope of the tangent line, we'll then use the opposite reciprocal of that, and then we'll use our point. Alright, so let's look at our function, y equals 5 over 5x plus 3. And in order to find our slope of our tangent line, we're going to take our x-coordinate 0 plus h. And this will give us 5 over 5 times 0 plus h plus 3. And then the function also at 0, which hopefully you notice from your point, but your function at 0 in this case is just going to be 5/3. We just need that y-coordinate. So apply our limit rule here. We're going to have f of x plus h minus f of x. So the limit as h goes to 0 of 5 over 5 times 0 plus h plus 3 minus 5/3 all over h. Simplify the top just a little bit. Especially the denominator simplifies fairly easily. Distribute your 5 in, and then whatever you have left over you can add to 3. This gives us the limit as h goes to 0 of 5 over 5h plus 3 plus 5/3 all over h. What we'll want to do is get a common denominator now. So I'm going to multiply this guy by 5 plus h. 5h plus 3. Top and bottom. And then on this guy, I'm going to multiply by 3 over 3, top and bottom. 15 plus 25h. There should be a minus sign right here. Minus 15. If that's a minus sign, this would be minus 25h minus 15. All over 3 times 5h plus 3. And since we're dividing by h right here, we've got this division of h. Anytime you divide by h, you multiply by the reciprocal. So all of this will be times 1 over h. And now we can start looking at what's going on in our problem. And these 15s cancel out. I've got negative 25h on the top, so this h and this h cancel out. And that leaves me with the limit as h approaches 0 of negative 25 over 3 times 5h plus 3. Now this isn't so bad, because what we ultimately want to do is replace our 0 with our h. When we do that, on the bottom I get 3 times 5 times 0 plus 3, which is 9. And this gives me negative 25/9 for my slope of my tangent line. Since my slope of my tangent line is negative 25/9, I know that my normal curve is the opposite reciprocal of that, which is going to be 9/25. Now, I've got a point, and I've got a slope. So at the point 0, 5/3, with a slope of 9/25, I can write the equation of my line. Y minus 5/3 equals 9/25 x minus 0. Or, if you want to clean that up, y equals 9/25 x plus 5/3.